Welcome! Today's video is about another cool feature of Notezilla. As you may know, Notezilla allows you to attach sticky notes to documents, websites, folders, and program windows. This video will show how to attach sticky notes to an Excel sheet in Windows. This is a Notezilla sticky note. I will now attach it to an Excel sheet. Open the Sticky Notes menu and choose the Stick to Window icon from the menu. You can also use the shortcut key, Ctrl+W, to directly open the window. You will see the list of windows that are currently open. Choose the Excel from the list. Click OK. Done. Thanks for watching. Download Notezilla for free today from conceptworld.com. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.